personnel that no personnel will abandon his/her workstation by reason of harassment or coercion from Attorney Rafael Benedictus and or all other supporters of the imprisoned Mayor Celso G. Regencia. Number 2, at the close of the office hours, 5 p.m. today, all persons, whether employees or visitors, must completely vacate the City Hall building, particularly the administrative building. At the opening of the office hours at 8 o'clock in the morning, the following day, nobody will be allowed to enter the City Hall building without valid ID and subject to standard search to ensure that no firearm, explosive, or contraband will be brought inside the City Hall premises. Number 4, the Philippine Army is directed to provide augmentation forces to ensure proper implementation of this directive. And there is another memorandum addressed to Police Senior Raul Benitez, from my office, that he is hereby directed to conduct Oplan Bakal inside and outside the City Hall premises, particularly the administrative building, and strictly enforce the firearms law. This is for compliance of our PNP directive. So, karon si Senior Superintendent Raul Benitez is on his way to the City Hall. Akong giingnan ang atong mga supporters who has accumulated up to 200 already. By 1 hour again, maabot na sila 300 nga mo stay calm dito o mahimo mo observe lang sila. They will not react any confrontation between the forces of the imprisoned Mayor Celso Regencia with our PNP and our military. So, paingon na sila dito and they will implement the directive. In my conversation 3 minutes ago with the City Director Emilio Lana and Regional DILG Director Attorney Nilo Castañares, that any time today the order from the DILG will come out. And they told me that, Mayor, no worry, the DILG is supporting you because we believe that you should act as the Mayor of Iligan because the imprisoned Mayor doesn't have legal capacity to perform the responsibilities as a Mayor of the City of Iligan. He can only perform when his case with the regular court regarding the ambush of the good congressman will be cleared, or if ever he will be cleared. So until then, na wala pa'y resulta ang kaso sa pag-ambush sa congressman where he is accused that he is the culprit and he was the author of the ambush. He will continue to be declared as legally incapacitated to perform the duties and responsibilities of the Mayor of the City of Iligan. So there is that assurance. The Director of DILG keep on calling me to exercise maximum tolerance of this situation. So that is it for this afternoon, and I hope you can announce it to the public para may balaan kung nila umusay mo. Huwag kita musaka dito sa City Hall because I don't want that a clash of supporters will happen in the City of Iligan, especially in the City Hall premises. That if possible, what happened in Makati City will not happen in Iligan City. Kaya kita ramang gyapoy mga daot niini. So, mo ka na, ug doon na ka may mga pangutana, please raise your question. Bilina will act as the moderator.
We will stick to the atong traditional ruling na one question, one follow-up. Kung na bali nga pangutana, inig mahuman na tanan. Isa iwan na mo shoot sa iyong pangutana. Generic ka banday yung DXIC?
No.
Isa iwan na pangutana.
Gagawin nga niya lang, ihas ko dito, i-compare na sa finance office, program capital sa heating tourist, o employee, Lordy Benedictus. Sa imo ka, ano yun?
Dili sila maka-take over, that is unlawful, considering that Atty. Benedictus has been terminated from the city government. And no illegitimate government official can perform appointment of the officers of the city government. Hence, the appointment that he received from the prison mayor is not legal.
Sir, kining order sa DILG nga maabot, ina magunggi palakaw karon nga wala na jurisdiction ang DILG.
It's not wala jurisdiction ng DILG because the power of the president was divulged to DILG. No? There is an administrative order coming from the office of the president that the power of the supervisory power of the president to all local government units operating in the country is divulged to the Department of Interior and Local Government.
May pangutana, sir, as ang legal officer siguro ko unsa ka tinuod, sir, nga dunay karon gihimo, giplansya, giplano nga ipasaka nga kaso against the group as led by Atty. Benedictus.
Well, naay mga kaso nga ipasaka, pero ako pang gather ang mga ebidensya na pangawaan na ito mga apidabit ang mga empleyado na ilang ipapahawa, na ilang iingnan, na ilang buluton, kung hindi mong pahawa. Kunya akong i-document kung tanan ng tarong, no? So doon ay mga pictures tingali na. Hindi kapot sa kanang mga kauban akong lugar, na-file ang uban. So pagkakaroon, doon na na-file nga sa akong pagkaibalo na disbarment nga kaso na-file kung kakalakarni Benedictus. Kada nagkalain-laing kaso sa pag-istorya ng kaganihan ni Atty. Garciliano, pwede nga katong mga gipang-focus nila o papahawa, makapayag ko sila kung karang grave coercion ng kaso. Gani among gatunan kung pwede kay iya man gi-disrupt ang function sa city government, basi masulod pa sa sedisyon ng iyong gibuhat, sama sa mga bulaton sa mga rebuilding, ilang disturbo ang pag-function sa gobyerno. So ato na ang kay ang among istorya dito katong kagahapon, gusto niya nga kami mag-file ng kaso na yung gusto sa akong mga kauban sila i-file ng kaso. So akong iwan, wala taray o anay, file ng kaso sa gusto ninyo na i-file ng kaso. Kami i-file ko din sa tanang kaso na among itanaw na angayan i-file ng kaso ninyo. So inana akong kaitan bahin sa file ng kaso. Pero ang dili maayo nga ilang gibuhat kay amo tangi sabutan gahapon na ayaw ninyo puksa ang mga tao nga empleyado nga nagtrabaho sa City Hall na mupahawa sa ilang workstation. Kunya ilan ang giwan sunda, ilang ipangilaptan ng mga empleyado karon ang sa sports o sa gas mantingali. O napasiguro yung uban. So, ang legal, wala sila mutandok kay nakatay ko ang jabot ko dito. O niya, o ingon sa itong mga empleyado ng mga karaan po dyan ng mga empleyado. Di mo po sila magpadaog sa pikas.
Sir, who led the filing of complaints against them?
Lain-lain nga abogado naghanagin sa kanila.
Not the legal office? Not the
naay dili sa legal office. Napoy sa legal office. Ang sa legal office mo abot pa.
Kasi sa gusto mga tayo? Signa ka?
Mayor, unsa may assurance sa mga government employee diyan sa executive department karon nga dili masakitan kasi butas na kong division niya.
Actually, no, natong PNP, no, led by the PNP director, kuha na karon sa City Hall. No? They will be assigning one PNP, no? One PNP every section of the office of the mayor. No? So this is to protect the employees inside their office, and this is to protect that the office will not be taken over by the group of the prison mayor, Celso G. Riencia.
Kahapon Mayor, clear harassment ang ito na ito. Pero nga ba ko na dapok atong nalaman ng security force na ito sa taas?
Actually, muna itong ipangutana sa atong city director, no? Kaganinang buntag sa iyo, no? Na for what reason that there was no apprehension, that there was harassment, no? Performed by the supporters of the prison mayor, no? So, they said na karon nga doon na yung order nako, no? For them to perform, for a responsibility to be performed by the PNP. Now they will enforce everything.